wherever you are. Just keep your ears open all the time to just imagining loops out of things. You can take from anywhere and anyone. That kind of caught my ear.
Just typical, tech house kind of thing.
And it had a nice rhythm to it.
Tech house kind of thing.
So I kind of played it over and over again.
Tech house kind of thing.
And I thought that could really work looped in a tech house track, but which is not a typical tech house kind of track. In anything, for me, the best tracks have human elements to the vocals and human elements to the rhythm. It's not all synthesized and not all so clean and not all so quantized. For me, really, it's just a case of just trying and trying and trying. I have the essential elements. It's really a case of carrying on with beats and filtering bits here and there and making sure the track works.